guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Bella. We're gonna be showing you our puppets. Huh? What's that? Okay. So yeah, it's ASMR puppets. Some of them are really rare for me. One of them is really rare that I love. So I think that one we're gonna do at the end. So first one is this one. So yeah, that one's really nice. Actually, we're gonna do this one. I'm glow in the dark. We're gonna do this one. This one I call it rare because we just got this today, and it's glow in the dark. I turned off the light, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna pop it. Let's turn it back up. You couldn't really see it well, but I could see it well. So we're gonna pop it. This one puppets are actually my favorite things in the world. These are actually my favorite puppet. I just love these kinds. It's also the needle, but I never felt the needle before. Yeah, my favorite. This is my favorite. These ones you don't might know, but these ones I showed you how to make these in the last video. Yeah, it doesn't make that much sound. Like I have a lot of others, but I threw some away because they're not that good. I'm doing ASMR. Sorry about that. This one I have the last one. Give me that. Yeah. Hey! Don't touch me. Oh, I want to play with it. And these are my last ones. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So next we're going to be making a Pop-Tart. So yeah, in my next vlog.